Withdrawing money from Gmail to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open Gmail. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account linked to your payment service. Step 2. Access Google Pay. Locate and click on the Google Pay icon or navigate to the Google Pay website. This is where you can manage your transactions and linked accounts. Step 3. Link your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the Google Pay dashboard. Select the option to withdraw money and choose the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a notification or email confirming that the transfer is being processed. After completing these steps, your money should be on its way to your bank account. Always check your bank account to ensure the funds have arrived.